Did a man perish from sneezing? But first, was a cat made mayor? The answer coming up. In 1979, London newspapers reported a strange death, a man who sneezed violently 36 times in a row. Witnesses said he collapsed suddenly, and doctors later claimed a ruptured blood vessel in his brain caused his death. The story shocked readers who never imagined sneezing could be fatal. Now, the cat elected mayor? That was true. I wonder what his pay was. So, did a man expire from sneezing? Comment your guess, like, and subscribe for more.